In this video, we're going to look at working with text within our advertisements. So I'm already logged in to the vendor account, and I'm going to click Contest Fire to enter the ad admin area. Okay, I'll scroll down, click New to start a new ad. Okay, so we're just going to place some text into the ad area. Oops. Okay, so we're going to just use these 3 lines of text to illustrate different things. First, we're going to just preview the text as it is. Go up and take a look. You'll notice that the text in the editor looks like 12 point, and the text that shows in the ad area looks like about 24. That's by default set so that when your text appears in an ad online, that it's already optimized to view in a mobile browser on a smartphone. To change, if you want smaller text or larger for that matter, all you do is go down, highlight your text, go up and choose the size of the text, and let's just make it 8 point for illustration purposes. Okay, and then click preview to preview the change. And now we've got 8 point text that we can't even read on our PC. So let's use the undo button to undo that. Okay, so the first thing I notice is that the text is right up at the very top left corner of our ad area, and let's just move that down a bit by placing our cursor in front of the first line of text and giving ourselves 2 carriage returns. We'll preview that. That's a little better. Okay, so now any text that we highlight, we can apply different styles, formats, fonts, size, coloring, backlighting, those kind of things, or we can make links out of them. But linking is covered in another video, so I just highlighted the first line again. Okay, the formatting for text, if you click the drop down beside format, you'll notice that there's already styling for heading sizes, text sizes. You may not want to use any of these, but just test them to see what difference it makes in the text. We'll format the first line as an H1, and then we'll highlight the second line, and we'll illustrate how to change the font. Now, any fonts that appear in the font drop down are available for you to use. If you have different fonts on your PC, that additional fonts, those should be available for you, but you'll at least have these basic fonts always available to you. I'll pick Comic for the second line of text, and then for the third line of text I'll pick a different size, and let's pick 16. Okay, let's preview those changes. And now we see 3 different, the default size is still the middle line, and then we made the third line 16 point, and this is what the styling for an H1, a heading number 1, does to the first line. So now let's apply some color to the first line. Just highlight it, select it, and then right beside size, if we click that button, it allows us to choose basically any color that we want. If you click the more colors link at the bottom, it'll give you unlimited choices of color, but we're just going to choose red here for this. And then the third line of text, I'm actually going to make bold, and then I'm going to click the backlight button here, and I'm going to put yellow. This is just like a highlighter pen. So let's preview those changes and see what that looks like. Okay, there's an illustration of those changes. Now, all the other buttons regarding text should be self-explanatory, so the only other thing I'm going to do here is just center all the text and give it one more carriage return and preview those changes. And there's a text ad if we wanted one, just simply made out of text. And that's all there is to working with text.